You've probably heard that you need to be networking in your job search. But how do you network efficiently and strategically? Well, the answer might surprise you. A lot of people focus on their most inner circle, those people that they know best. And when those people don't yield results, they think, well, I've networked and I don't know anybody else to talk to. And this is where you need to go even further and focus on weak ties. Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm here to take your job search from stressful to successful. So, what the heck is a weak tie? Well, a weak tie is exactly as it sounds. It's somebody you don't have a strong connection to. It's outside of your inner circle. Heck, it's even outside of that next circle. And it has been proven that weak ties are super beneficial because they can give you insights you might not otherwise have. Now, think about your inner circle. They might be people that you already work with, people that you've known for years. So they might not have new information, but they might know somebody who might know somebody who might know somebody. But weak ties can even be found in other places. Now, here's an example. About a year ago, I was getting my nails done, and there happened to be another woman getting her nails done as well. And we just started chatting. And at the time, I was creating my career relaunch blueprint program, which is for career breakers looking to return to the paid workforce. Well, this woman happened to be a CEO of a company, and her initiative was to hire people returning from a career break. And we had a wonderful conversation. Now, we parted ways, but the conversation just wouldn't leave my head. So a few days later, I did some internet sleuthing and I found her. I sent her an email, not creepy like, but it was just saying, I really enjoyed our conversation and was wondering if she would have some time to get together to talk further. And she was more than happy to. Hooray. We had a number of brainstorming sessions on where to take the program, how she could help, all of that. And this came from literally like the weakest of weak ties. It was somebody I happened to meet at a nail salon. So don't limit yourself when it comes to people who can help you in your job search. Honestly, you should be looking at everybody as a potential lead. And don't be shy about bringing up the fact that you are looking for a job. Now, this does not have to be cringeworthy. You're not out there with a big poster board saying, I need a job. I mean, although that is one way, but it generally comes up kind of organically in conversation. What do you do? Or how are things going? You can seamlessly weave in the fact that you're exploring new options, that you're pivoting careers, that you're returning from a career break. All of this can be done in a way that just feels organic and authentic. And I would say that a lot of people genuinely want to help, and you don't know what their response could be. It could be, you know what? My company is actually looking for a fill in the blank, or my friend so-and-so works in that industry that you're looking to pivot into. Do you maybe want me to see if she'd have some time to chat with you? That's where the magic happens. So don't be shy. Remember, you are the person who is most invested in your career. So make sure to take ownership of it. And even though I said it doesn't have to be cringeworthy, I do know that some people are very hesitant to share this information. They don't want to seem as though they're asking for something, or it's just outside of their comfort zone to talk to people you don't know. I'm going to tell you this. If you're looking for a job, you're going to have to do things a little bit differently in order to see different results. You can't just sit behind your computer and keep hitting that easy apply button, because that's what hundreds, if not thousands of other people are doing. So make sure to go that extra mile and get outside your comfort zone, talk to people, whether they're people you know really well, or even better, people you don't, because that is where the magic happens.